Hey guys, today I'm here checking a ice machine, Hoshizaki. It had the dreaded three beeps, beep beep beep. I call it the three beeps of death. Basically, it had a bad water pump, and I'm just gonna make a short video to diagnose it. How I had the bad one. I reset it. The alarm has to be reset at the board, at the circuit board. So I'll show you the button. You have to do it while it's in ice mode. You hear the beeps, but you won't hear it here because I already reset it. So I'll take a short video and show you how I check that water pump. So to show you how I got to the conclusion of that. Here I got the new one in. Basically, it's this plastic base. You take the screw out. This comes out. The new one, you slide it in. The wires. The new one, you have to keep the connectors from the old one because there's no connector with the new one. I have it in the box. Capacitors in there have to change. This would go up, and there's a plug in the corner up there. I'll show you later. That's it. I'm gonna open up here for the capacitor. Here's the old harness. I'm gonna cut them and splice them with wire nuts. I'll do that now. Here I'm just getting for the capacitor. Up. What is that? This slides out. When you get the three beeps, this switch you put ice, and while the power is on, there's that. Let's see if I get it. That little white reset up there. You press it, and it'll restart the machine. So there, I'm looking at the capacitor for my pump. Take that out. I'm gonna need two hands, so I'll be right back. Now I'm back. I got the new one in, so you would just the wire one. Two. There's a capacitor that's ready to go. So what I'll just do go. So I need two hands again, so I'll be right back. Go. Harness ready to go. I need two hands, so I'll be right back. See? Plugs connected. You put it in, ground screw. The back. Let's fire up. See what happens. I got everything connected, ready to go. I started the machine again. Taking the stopwatch sign. Let's check this out. Just turn it on, so it looks good, nice and sweaty and cold. It'll get icy later, so I don't worry about that. Okay. I forgot to mention that when you take the old pump out, you disconnect these clamps. The float switch has to come out completely with the boot. Just pull it out. Little screw. It'll come right out. And to test it, what happened to me was the pump wasn't pumping. So in the plug up here, in there, there's three wires, black, red, and blue. You take red and blue of your meter, it should give you 120 when you put the machine in wash. If you have 120 and the motor's not running, some people say, well, did you check the capacitor? I did check the capacitor. The capacitor was good, so the motor had some problem in it. The water pump had some problem. But it's up and running now. Let's see when it is ice. So let's see what happens.